Protolab, where cutting-edge technology meets precision manufacturing equipment and processes. In our screen printing department, we have 2 Sakurai Flat Beds and 1 Sakurai stop cylinder press, a total of 3 lines with inline Natgraph Dryers and Dryers with UV curing. We have 2 integrated climatic and dust-controlled manufacturing facilities designed on the best principles of LEAN OHSAS and EHS to efficiently adapt the TPM and TQM principles. Our high-speed, fully automatic Sakurai screen printing press features an automatic front pickup feeder and flatbed printing unit with optional sensor systems for high-end industrial applications like Automotive Instruments, Nameplates, Decals, graphics, membrane switches, and more, operating at a speed ranging between 1,000 to 1,500 impressions per hour. Please visit us and stay connected for more details.